To change the text size on the Motorola Edge 15 Neo, first we'll need to open the settings. Then look for the display settings, and right here we want to select text size, and it should be somewhere around here. Here it is, display size and the text. If you want to change only the text size, adjust the font size using a slider. If you move it to the right, it will become bigger. If you move it to the left, it will become smaller. In this case, let's go for that size, and as you can see, our text size have been changed. You can also adjust your display size, and this will make basically everything bigger, as you can see. And next thing we can customize for it text size is a bold text that you can activate or deactivate, which makes the thickness of a font a bit bigger. And also we can enable high contrast text, which adds a black outline to all of the text on your phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.